first, and then make the chair.
If you can.
Well,
You know, like,
well, I know. I would know that much. It's a lot later.
it's a skill that I can't do, so my chair has cushions.
Cushions, okay. It's beautiful. You're gonna do the same thing.
I think my wife's gonna choose a green, but same style.
Leather.
Same style.
Yeah, I like that.
I don't know if it's gonna be leather or not. It very well could be fabric. I don't like it. When I go to start getting into it stuff.
Now, and when you strike here, make sure you try and stay flat against that tail wall.
Oh yeah, I need to go grab my safety glasses. Man, just when I thought I was ready. All right, let's try this again. Yes. Yes. Coming.
So if you put her tape on there, and then we pull off the material, remember you pull off the tape, we're removing waste. So these are our pins, our half pins that are staying there. And then we put, after the tape was pulled off,
We double checked.
and what we noticed was that there was a little bit of wood right in there. It's hard to see, but there's I actually drew it in. I drew it in with some pencil, but you can see.
I see it.
So instead of redoing the whole tape, which I don't like to do,
Just do that in.
I immediately pulled it off and I drew a little lead right on there, so I know that I'm cutting. I'm assuming that's my tape. And then I can sneak up to that wall if I need to. Now, what some people like to do now is pull this out or put another strip of tape just on that line right there and then cut it off clean so you have really, but if you feel like you can see your mark, you don't need to do that.
Yeah, there's no way.
That's just, yeah, so then you take another minute, you put more blue tape right up, so you're floating right above that line, you stand it on the table, you cut the rest of that tape overhanging, and now you have really nice tails you can see. Then it's the same process. You flip it this way, you take your 4-inch square, and you bring a pencil line down to your marking gauge line, down, down, down. You cut at a 45-degree angle, because we can't go all the way through anymore. You got to do a 45, and at that point, you hog it out at the drill press, right? You do the drill and chop, or you go to the router. Now, with you guys with these foreign woods,
Maybe to the drill.
maybe the drill press first, then with those, because yeah, Mondo, this wood's crazy. And to remember with the drill press,
Crazy
you set the
woods.
depth.
Yep.
You want to go just above your line there, and just to relieve it, and the rest is that router trick.
Just this side of the line.
Oh yeah, yep.
Yeah.
Everything's on the inside. Now everything's kind of on the inside of the drill. And the back is through dovetails. It's all the same. I mean, it's easy peasy.
Lemons.
When we do that new router, that little square, going past that line. That block.
Correct. Yep. So you need to measure from this face to your line.
And that's where that
And you
block
find,
is.
then you turn the router bit to find the widest point, and you measure from that block to the widest point, and then you're gonna hit that, you're gonna hit that wall clean. And maybe you have to adjust it once or twice.
Just wondering, you're kind of like a little chipmunk or a squirrel storing your food over there. Oh, eat it as I go. Yeah, see. I don't eat it all at once.
Come on, she got donuts hidden over there?
Mm-hmm.
Squirreling them away.
Right?
Let's do it. I got some material to get. I gotta clean up these still, I guess.
Oh, I gotta clean up too. So first you gotta line it up on that line we made.
I don't know if some of mine are
I'm just gonna line it up.
complete or not either.
Don't look at me. I'm not at my lawn. I'm fighting my I'm not at my lawn.
Is that a sneeze?
No, I was trying to summon all my energy
Oh,
to finish this clam.
I was gonna bless you.
Don't waste your time.
Okay. Well, let me know if you need a blessing.
Man, I've got a mess in front of me here. Okay, all right, okay, let's take a look.
Heck yeah. Yep. It's all right.
I like it.
Yeah, I liked it.
It's a Gen feed. Yeah. It's Gen feed. And it's like on a couch.
That girl with the eating disorder that shrinks.
Oh, I saw that. Where she's riding on that dude.
Yeah, she's like hanging,
Yeah, sliding up and down. I was like,
No, I know.
Yeah.
that's when I bailed out on that show. I'll be honest with you.
Oh, that's when I was in. I was like, what the heck?
We don't have any lights in.
She's got an eating disorder and is able to shrink.
That's so stupid.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna be safe to say I don't know what the hell I'm doing.
Yeah. It's been that way like the whole time though. Not really knowing what I'm doing, but
All seems to turn out.
yeah. This box is coming along somehow, you know. I don't remember how exactly, but it's coming along. It's just one step at a time. It's a lot of steps though, and I don't remember them all. If we're being completely honest here.
The hard part.
I'm glad I'm making these videos. I'll be able to like watch it back and see what the hell I'm doing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Both the size.
We can see how far we've come.
Yes. I think eventually we'll maybe know what we're doing. A little bit more, huh?
Don't get crazy.
No.
Yeah, the lines are better.
I got high hopes.
I just really like the machining that's there.
Now we put it back on. Check. Oh, we got a problem. I can see it already.
I really think this week's episode is going to be the best one yet, though.
What do we got going on this week?
We're doing through tenons.
Woo!
But I finally figured out how to edit in other video clips and stuff. So I got some of that stuff edited in. My editing skills are progressing.
Nice.
Almost as much as my woodworking skills.
That one came pretty easy.
How's it going, Joanne?
Look at this. This is what I got going on over here. This is pine, so it's really soft. And so I can put my chisel in there. Ready? Just push down a little bit. Bow! There's a line there that I scored. You get your chisel in there. Ready? Ow!
Moving along. So jazz.
Yeah, this pine is real easy to clean up, isn't it?
Yeah. So you say.
Are you not having an easy time with the pine?
No. Not at all.
Oh. This pine's so soft that my chisel has dented my dovetail over here.
Wait a minute.
You see that? I pushed right in right there.
Like 24.
What the hell you're...
I've got something terribly going wrong there. So jazz.
Well, this whole time, for his program, he graduated 4 years, most of the semester he had to go. So he's gonna have to do another semester, maybe 2. 15 is a lot. 15 is a lot. Especially for him who doesn't have, he doesn't have the work ethic. College. Students are
When Steve was in high school, they had to turn in the stone tablets at the end of it.
Yeah. Fred Flintstone in it.
Yeah.
My dad actually went to school in a one-room schoolhouse. Yeah. Over by Olivet. Olivet, Michigan, yeah. That's... Probably. Probably. He was wearing it.
Okay, that's it. Let's all agree that this sucks.
Bye, Ethan. Hope you feel better.
Take your germs out of here. Genuine leatherette.
This isn't a union shop, no breaks.
This is a union break with Jeff.
Is anybody failing? That's my question.
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Yeah. Caleb, I guess.
The VA is failing me.
You.